Hi everyone, my name is Danny Jessee. Welcome to my course, High Availability and Disaster Recovery on AWS for DevOps Engineers. I have 6 AWS certifications, including the AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional, and work as a senior cloud engineer and software developer in the Washington, D.C. area. DevOps engineers can leverage the massive scale and reliability of the AWS global infrastructure to architect and build highly available and scalable applications and databases that are resilient in the event of a failure. In this course, we will cover the AWS services that enable you to design high-performing, fault-tolerant applications and prepare you to answer questions from the high availability, fault tolerance, and disaster recovery domain of the AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional exam. Some of the major topics that we will cover include architecting applications to take full advantage of the AWS global infrastructure, leveraging elastic load balancing and AWS availability zones for high availability, using auto-scaling and auto-scaling groups for scalability, building highly available and scalable databases using AWS managed services, and designing and automating disaster recovery strategies for business continuity. By the end of this course, you will be able to build applications and databases that are self-healing, responsive to varying levels of demand, and able to recover quickly and seamlessly in the event of a disaster. Before beginning this course, you should have some experience provisioning and operating application environments in AWS, along with a working knowledge of AWS services such as EC2, Virtual Private Cloud, and Elastic Load Balancing. You should also have a few years of IT experience and a basic understanding of fundamental DevOps principles. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about architecting robust applications and databases in the AWS cloud with this course, High Availability and Disaster Recovery on AWS for DevOps Engineers, at Pluralsight.